We frequently find ourselves at a crossroads in the age-old quest of making better choices, and we look to the ancient Stoic thinkers who value virtue, wisdom, and reason for profound advice. We have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so we can listen twice as much as we say, as Epictetus wisely observed. Let us embark on a journey to examine 10 Stoic-inspired tactics that will wonderfully illuminate your path toward making choices that are imbued with wisdom, integrity, and purpose in this profound search for better decision making. First strategy. Mindfulness practice. The foundation of wise living is self-awareness, as Stoic wisdom teaches us. Start this life-changing exercise by taking a moment to stop the never-ending stream of events and carefully observing your thoughts, feelings, and situation. Essentially, you have power over your mind, not outside events, as Marcus Aurelius so shrewdly stated. You will find an unwavering source of inner power if you recognize this basic fact. Method 2. Establish your principles. We follow the advice of Seneca, an ancient Stoic philosopher who begs us to see what is truly important in the vast scheme of things. This is the profound tradition of Stoicism. By carefully outlining and honing your basic beliefs, you may commence your journey toward better decision-making. This clarity will serve as a steadfast compass pointing you in the direction of choices that are consistent with your core values. Tactic 3. Think through Stoic questions. Adopt the profound practice of asking Stoic-inspired questions before embarking on decision-making excursions, following in the footsteps of Stoic philosophers. Is this within my control? And does this decision align with my deeply cherished values? Are 2 such fundamental inquiries, echoing the wisdom of the ancients. The responses to these questions, which are evocative of Seneca, a Stoic scholar, can serve as bright landmarks illuminating the path to wise choices. Method 4. Adopt the worst-case hypothesis. In the spirit of Epictetus, who exhorts us to face hardship with steadfast stoicism, embark on the transformational journey of imagining the worst outcomes that could result from your carefully considered choices. Accept this practice as a profound mental fortification exercise rather than as a depressing one. Epictetus reminds us that facing our innermost concerns can lessen the influence of dread and anxiety, allowing for more rational decision-making. Tactics 5. Pursue virtue rather than transient pleasure. Epictetus states unequivocally that the only worthy goal in life is freedom. Encourage the bravery to put virtue ahead of the lure of instant gratification in your unwavering pursuit of wise decision-making. Consider your choices in light of the aspirational goal of living a life of moral excellence while channeling the wisdom of Stoicism. Phase 6. Take advice from previous decisions. Begin a journey of introspection that explores the depths of your past decisions, drawing inspiration from the profound principles of Stoicism. Remember that every new beginning comes from some previous beginning's end. In the words of the wise Seneca, who illuminated the path of wisdom, consider your previous choices with an open heart and a critical mind. In the furnace of introspection, extract the most important lessons that will serve as compass points for your future decision-making journey. Accept your past as a source of experience-based wisdom rather than as a burden. Trusted advisor consultation. Strategy 7. We can extract the wisdom of wisely seeking guidance from the rich tapestry of the Stoic heritage. You should have serious conversations with dependable friends, mentors, or advisors, just as the Stoic philosophers did when exchanging their views. Like the ancient Stoics who deepened their knowledge by dialectical discussion, you can gain a great deal from the many viewpoints and perceptive advice of people in your inner circle of trust. You'll find clarity and wisdom for your personal decision-making journey in the echoes of shared experience. Strategy 8. The silence's power. Let us take a moment to reflect on the profound wisdom found in the Stoic practice of silence as we navigate the maze of life's decisions. According to Marcus Aurelius' Contemplations, who sought comfort in solitary reflection, embrace periods of profound silence before embarking on important decisions. You might find the clarity and tranquility required to make choices that are in harmony with your inner compass in the quietness of your mind, among the soft murmurs of reflection. Tactics 9. Foster resilience. A virtue beloved to Stoicism is resilience, the unwavering spirit that endures life's storms. Adopting the principles of Stoicism, make a revolutionary shift by seeing setbacks as chances for personal development and unflinching perseverance rather than as insurmountable roadblocks. Seek the inner power to endure hardships in the spirit of Seneca, who said that difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body. Making you better prepared to face the choices that lie ahead, you will establish a profound connection with your inner power. Strategy 10. Handle results with grace. Here, as we approach the end of this investigation into Stoic-inspired techniques for making decisions, keep in mind the timeless lessons found in Epictetus' wisdom. A clear grasp of one fundamental principle, that certain things are under our control and others are not, is the first step toward happiness and freedom. In the fabric of your decision-making journey, embrace it with grace and composure. Concentrate your efforts on the areas that fall under your purview. Let Stoic wisdom be your steady partner as you navigate life's erratic currents. Finally, the complex fabric of Stoic philosophy provides profound understandings into the practice of decision-making. You can navigate life's crossroads with wisdom, virtue, and power by practicing mindfulness, defining your values, posing Stoic-inspired questions, imagining worst-case scenarios, seeking virtue, reflecting on previous choices, consulting trusted advisors, embracing the power of silence, nurturing resilience, and accepting outcomes gracefully. Your choices have the power to determine not just your fate, but also the nature of your character, according to the Stoics. May the choices you make serve as evidence of Stoic wisdom's eternal legacy, directing you in the direction of a life marked by profound wisdom, fulfillment, and purpose.